guys, welcome back to today's video. So you guys know, if you watched my holiday videos last year, I love doing advent calendar unboxings on my channel. I think they are so fun. You guys seem to really like them too. It's just fun because it's like a little surprise. So I went to CVS because I know they always have some really cute drugstore calendars. I was looking for a Wet n Wild one. I didn't see it, but I did spot this one, which if you guys remember, I opened this last year. It's the LA Colors Advent Calendar. It was $12 or $12.99. And then there was also, I had like a CVS coupon for $2 off. So if you guys wanna see what's inside, if you wanna see what's inside this 12 days Advent Calendar from LA Colors, then just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so let's get on into it. Lots of holiday videos starting right now. They've begun. Okay, so day one right here. Last year's, I remember, was pretty good. First, we have a lipstick, and it's kind of like, what would you say? That's like a, I don't know what you would call that, like a bronzy red kind of color. That's cute. I mean, not really a shade that I personally would wear. I'm more like a nude pink kind of girl, but these are also cute for me to include in like giveaways. So anything that I'm not going to use, I'm going to do as a giveaway. Okay, next up we have day two. Ooh, this is cute. This was actually, it says like on the front, like exclusives, and I saw this. They're like these little holographic nail stickers. Do you guys see that? And I think they're little diamonds. I mean, it's really tiny. So yeah, typical like advent calendar kind of stuff. It's like this little tiny square. I'm like trying not to look at the back because they have everything displayed on there that's inside the box. I'm always like, don't look, because I want it to be a surprise. So then day three. Ooh, is this a lip pencil? We have this like really cool little LA Colors lip liner, and this is totally a color I would wear. It's like a nude. This is like that traditional kind of pencil. It's like a brown nude. It's like a little mini lip pencil. Day three is this really cute little like brown nude lip pencil. I would totally wear this color. Day four is really long, so it's looking like maybe an eyeliner or something. Was I right? I think I was right. It is a LA Colors black eyeliner pencil. Yeah, I think it's black. Yeah, this is like that standard traditional like pencil, the ones you have to sharpen. I haven't used one of these in years. I always use the ones that are like retractable. So that's really nice though because it's full size. And moving on to day five. By the way, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm filming on a different camera. So if I look different or the setup, whatever looks different, it's because this is a new camera and I'm like not used to this, but my other one is not working. Okay, so this next item, ooh, it's a vanilla lip balm. I love vanilla and I love lip balm. So let's see. Ooh, I mean, it smells, I smell a little bit of vanilla, but it smells a little bit more like shea buttery. I don't know if that reference will make sense, but it's not like a cupcakey vanilla kind of scent. So, I mean, that is cool though. I love a good lip balm. I'll probably end up though putting this in a giveaway, but this is a nice little item. Or I'll probably end up giving this to my niece because she wanted lip balms for Christmas. Moving on to day six. Oh my gosh, wait. How cute. It's a satin scrunchie. These are actually really good for gifts, like to give people. So cute. It's more like a tighter scrunchie too, by the way. I know sometimes these can feel different depending on like the rubber band that they put inside. But this is such a cute little gift for like your niece or like a daughter or something. So fun. And I love these kinds of scrunchies. These are like the only kinds of scrunchies I wear to bed is a satin one because they're so much better for your hair. Satin or silk. Day seven. I'm like making a mess of this one. Oh my gosh, wait, I love this one. This is what we got last year and I remember I loved this. It's like this loose eyeshadow. I wonder if it's the same color but it's a really pretty loose eyeshadow. And I remember it like also could work as a highlighter. So can you guys see that? It's kind of like a peachy color. Yeah, that's pretty. I could definitely see myself wearing this. It looks kind of like those loose highlighters. What is it? Artist Couture. That's what I was thinking of. It reminds me of the Artist Couture highlighter. Moving on to day 8, if I can open it. It looks like something big. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is cool. It is this like triple eyeshadow. That's so pretty. There's a matte like brown, which I would totally use in the crease. There's this gorgeous like shimmery shade in the middle, and then there's this really pretty bronzy color. I like that a lot. That shimmer shade in the middle, oh my gosh. It's like that wet kind of shimmer. That's really good. They didn't have anything like this last year, so I already think this year's calendar seems better than last year. Day 9 is this blush. Yeah, definitely better than last year's because I don't think we even got a blush last year. This is such a pretty like apricot color. I really hope my lights aren't washing this out, but this is so pretty. It has like a little bit of shimmer in it. I'm trying to do a swatch here so you guys can see. It's a little chalky, but slight bit of shimmer to it. So that's really nice. I mean, I think this is a full-size blush. It looks small, but it's not like mini small. So I like that color. I would definitely wear that color. So cute. Opening this up here. Ooh, you guys, it's a really pretty lip gloss. A cute color. It's like this baby sparkly pink. I really like this. So, I mean, when I can see of it, it looks really cute. Love it. Let's see if I could swatch this. It's like this sheer shimmery pink. Right there. Kind of frosty, but I like it. It's like very ballerina-esque is what I would say it's like. And oh my goodness, you guys, we got a lip oil. This is so nice. I love lip oils. These are just clear, like whatever color is in here, it's not gonna come out like that really on your lips unless it's like a reddish kind of color, but this is just like a clear pink. So I think it's just gonna be clear, but I'm curious how this is because I really like lip oils. So this also though, like all this stuff in here, this will be such a cute gift for someone to open because there's a lot of decent quality items in here. So day 11, we have the last day, which is day 12. Dun dun dun. The final day, you guys, is a nail polish. This is an interesting color. Let's see. It's like a, what would you call this? I don't know. Like a, I don't know. It's like a red pink. I really don't know what that would be called. I never really wore a color like this, but cute. Very cute. I haven't worn regular nail polish in forever because I always just wear the little like stickers. This is like the tortoise shell I'm wearing right now. But yeah, you guys, that is everything from the LA Colors advent calendar. So much fun. Oh my gosh, I love opening these. So I hope you guys are excited for my version of Vlogmas, which I guess is kind of like starting today because with this video, and I've already been doing like all my holiday shop with me. So just keep on expecting me to post like tons of shop with me's, hauls, holiday content, vlogs. Like I already even have vlogs filmed from like the last month that I still have to post. So I hope you guys are excited for that. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out because there's gonna be so many videos going up that you don't want to miss them. So they're gonna be so much fun and I'm excited that you guys are going to be hanging out here with me on my channel. And thank you guys so much for your support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys are gonna pick up this advent calendar and make sure you get it, I think this week because you have that $2 off. And then I also, when I bought this, it gave me like $6 in extra bucks, which I'm definitely gonna use. So lots of good deals for this item. And also you can use the $2 on like any of the advent calendars, because there was also one from number 7 that I saw and I was like, oh, should I do that one too? But I was like, maybe I'll just start with this one and see how it goes. So thank you guys for watching. Love you, and I will see you in my next video.